Look, kids, this is tree snake. It lives high on trees and can hang from branches to catch its prey. Look, kids, this is Copperhead. It hides in forests and rocks and has a mild venom. Look, kids, this is Anaconda. It's very powerful and mostly lives near water. Look, kids, this is blind snake. It stays under the soil and eats insects. Look, kids, this is sand boa. It hides under the ground and catches prey slowly. Look, kids, this is Hognose Snake. It digs soil with its nose and makes funny moves when scared. Look, kids, this is Boa Constrictor. It's non-venomous and kills its prey by squeezing tightly. Look, kids, this is Russell's viper. It lives in fields and bushes and bites suddenly. Look, kids, this is greenvine snake. It looks like a thin green twig and hides silently on trees. Look, kids, this is sea snake. It swims well and hunts fish in the ocean. Look, kids, this is black mamba. It moves super fast and mostly stays on land. Look, kids, this is king cobra. It raises its hood and makes a loud hiss to scare others. Look, kids, this is coral snake. It has bright red, yellow, and black stripes on its body. Look, kids, this is rainbow snake. Its body shines with bright colors, and it lives near water. Look, kids, this is rat snake. It doesn't harm humans and eats rats to protect crops. Look, kids, this is milk snake. It's non-venomous but looks like a coral snake. Look, kids, this is Indian python. It's non-venomous and swallows big animals by wrapping around them. Look, kids, this is viper. It attacks suddenly and its venom causes sharp pain. Look, kids, this is water snake. It swims fast and mostly hunts fish. Look, kids, this is saw-scaled viper. It's small in size but very dangerous. Look, kids, this is crate. It is more active at night and its venom affects the nerves.